All right, Stiffy, what do you say we give away a motorcycle?
Ed, can we give away a motorcycle?
Hey, you know what? I think we should give away a motorcycle.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today is Saturday, December 30th, and you know what? We're giving away a Harley Davidson. The motorcycle gods have graced us with amazing weather. Here in Texas, it's 55 degrees. I get to give away a 2005 Harley Davidson vrod. I hope you guys had a happy, safe, and amazing new year. I am extremely humbled. I have had a very, very tough 2023, just like I'm sure a lot of you have. Here's to 2024. We're gonna have a lot of fun here on Stiff Rides. I'm getting ready to head over to the Cycle Factory to hang out with Ed, Christian, and Sean. Enjoy the video. Let's go give away a Harley Davidson. Sucker for a twin cam, sucker for a 103. I am a sucker for my Harley Davidson. Man. Harley, I gotta hand it to you because you guys really do know what the hell you're doing in terms of the style of a motorcycle.
I love my Harley Davidson.
What's up, buddy? Are you ready to give away a Harley Davidson?
Man, I can't wait. I'm so stoked.
Oh. All right, guys, we got Sean a little gift. He doesn't know about it, but gift.
It'll be my birthday.
Tell me how cold it is. You guys remember this bike? This was in 2 videos ago. We got Jordan here. What's up, man? Hell yeah. Got some bags on it, and you're getting a longer fender?
Yeah, I'm getting a longer fender, plasma rods. I'm gonna get some XK chrome lights to light up on the sides. You can't be lit up enough. Scene, super important safeties.
Bring the pay!
What'd you say?
Bring the pay, Stiff! Give him the stiff arm!
We're at the Cycle Factory, and you know what we're doing today?
We're giving away a Harley! That's what we're doing.
I stiffed it.
What's up, Mike Walker?
Oh, you know that crap don't work with me.
Oh, there we go. What's up, man?
Good to see you.
Hey, we haven't seen this guy in quite a while.
Just got out of jail.
Oh, I'm out partying around.
That's the life.
You just got out of jail.
You are 3 minutes early.
What did I say?
You said 40 minutes, and that you still got 3 minutes left.
Floyd Crawford, he's early for a change. I saw it.
I'm trying not to be that guy who shows up late for a bike ride. Haven't even put gas in the bike yet, so we've got to go. I'm a little bit rushed. Yeah, don't ever be that guy, and that's what we are today. So we got to go. I'm gonna miss the meetup point. I could be in the wrong spot, so we'll see. Oh, what's up, Floyd?
Shut up and ride.
Shut up and ride.
Is he coming today?
No, I think they're in Nolans because their anniversary's tomorrow.
Hey, y'all, it's Floyd and Amy's anniversary, so make sure you guys, go on their Facebook page and wish them a happy anniversary. We're here at the Cycle Factory, and we are getting ready to give the winner their 2005 Harley Davidson vrod. You got a $50 raffle ticket. They have a chance to win the bike, and they're gonna win it. So that's pretty exciting. Here, what are these guys doing?
All right, Stiffy, what do you say we give away a motorcycle?
Hey, I'm excited about that. You wanna give away a motorcycle?
Yeah!
All right, we're gonna do this. We're gonna give this bike away. Oh man, the tickets are going in Santa's sleigh. Ooh. Look, and Ed is doing all of this himself. Look at that. Man, either somebody bought a shitload of tickets or a bunch of people bought tickets. I don't know which one is which. What do you think, Ed?
Man, I think one person bought every ticket. They're just going to buy the bike.
Man, this is getting exciting, you guys. This is a big job. I'm getting a little nervous. I don't know, man. I'm giving a Harley away. It's pretty crazy. You're watching this on January 4th, so we've already given the bike away. So you're about to find out who's going to win it. I would have entered. I can't, though, because you guys would probably be pretty upset if I won the bike. So let's give it away. You guys ready? Let's go outside. Does everybody have a ticket?
Yes.
Thank you, sir. All right, so I'm gonna grab a ticket. Somebody's gonna get a $50 gift card just for being here. wow, this ticket says stiff rides. Thanks, buddy. $50 gift card. Man.
That's him.
All right, so here we go. We got 0, 3, 2, 1, 6, 2. Congrats.
Okay, now we're giving away a motorcycle.
This is the
wait a
big
minute.
ticket item?
You got the keys?
I don't.
How can you give away a motorcycle without keys?
I don't know. You got the keys?
I don't have keys.
Who's got the keys?
Who's got keys?
Keys are in the drawer.
The drawer?
Keys are in the key drawer.
My mother always told me never to go through somebody's drawer unless I'm told I can.
You know what? I guess I'm going to have to go get keys.
All right.
All right. Where are the things
Patiently
at?
wait for the keys.
Yes, keys.
This is not a stock V-Rod, right?
No, this is not a stock V-Rod.
It's got a bunch of peppy stuff
I
done
think
to
I
it.
should keep it.
I mean, you know.
All right, fine. Give away the bike.
All right, here we go. All right. Man, this is like a nerve-wracking moment here. I let that one go. I grabbed that one. I let that one go. All right, here we go.
What do we got?
You want the number or the name? I think the name. The winner of a 2005 Harley Davidson V-Rod is Jerry Applegate.
Jerry Applegate.
Jerry Applegate just won a Harley Davidson V-Rod for $50.
Apple, you earned this, buddy. Apple came in this morning. He bought 2 tickets for the bike. He called up about 20 minutes later and said he had accidentally dropped $200 out of his pocket trying to find the $200 that he lost. Could not find the $200 he lost. He won the bike.
Jerry, first of all, your name is badass, Jerry Applegate. That $200 that you lost, you just won a 2005 Harley Davidson V-Rod. I would say that is some pretty damn good luck. There you go. So there's proof. Proof's in the pudding. And Jerry Applegate, you just won Harley Davidson V-Rod.
Good.
Jerry, we're calling you right now because you just won a Harley Davidson V-Rod. Yeah, you did. We're going to call you right now. Pick up the phone, Jerry. Jerry, you better pick up. If you don't pick up, we're going to blow your phone up, Jerry. Try number 2, Jerry. Pick up. Pick up the phone.
We're sorry, you have reached a number that has been disconnected.
No.
Jerry, you're killing us, buddy.
Jerry, we're just trying to give you a bike, bro. Pick the phone up, man. Come on. Man, how's it going? Okay. My name's Robbie. Yeah, see, that was your hand that I shook earlier. You said that to me earlier today. I gotta tell you something. Cool thing about today, Jerry, I pulled your name and you won a 2005 Harley Davidson V-Rod today, sir. This is for real. No, let's go outside and take a look at your brand new bike, man. Congrats, man.
Congratulations.
Yeah, well, pulled it up right next to your brand new Harley. That's your bike, man. That's your V-Rod.
I heard you got a thing on YouTube.
Yeah, you're gonna be on it. Keys go right here, man. Wait till you see the smile on his face. Woo-hoo! All right, guys. Jerry Applegate just won a 2005 Harley Davidson V-Rod. Jerry, congratulations, man. On a scale from 1 to 10, how excited are you right now?
Well, probably about 11 or 12. Yeah, at least that.
There you go, guys. On this day, December 30th, 2023, Jerry won Harley Davidson V-Rod. It's all his. Guys, thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please hit that subscribe button, like the video, hit that notification bell. We are all about the ride and we are all about the adventure. Stay safe out there. Later. Hey guys, what's up? I am outside sitting on my deck here in the beautiful weather, January 1st, 2024. You would have told me 2023 I would have moved to Texas, started a YouTube channel. The very first day of the new year I'd be talking to you guys. I told you you're nuts, but
Here we are.
Happy New Year from my family to yours, each and every one of you guys that have tuned in, the Stiff Rides community, all the people hitting that subscribe button, I really appreciate it. 2024, we're definitely going to have some fun. Stiff Rides is all about the ride, all about the adventure. I think we're really going to hit our stride this year, and don't forget, 500 subscribers, I'm going to give away the patch that's on my vest. Take it right off my vest, I'm going to send it to you. Also going to give away the Stiff Rides hat, which ironically enough I'm not wearing right now. I think I've got an Adam Sandoval Great American Convoy hat on. Just wanted to extend a happy, heartfelt New Year to all of you guys, everyone out there. Just thank you so much for watching.
2024, baby.
All about the ride, all about the adventure. Later.